Easededge with a demo video on how to create bump outs, bump ins, and inside and outside corner radiuses, as well as setting edge types for drawings. So in order to create a bump out, simply select a line and enter the dimensions of the bump out, or the amount of inches the bump out will be. So for this example, we'll do a 7-inch bump out. Let's say we want to bump in on this edge. Simply add a negative dimension in inches. And let's do -5. Next, we'll add a few corner radiuses. So we'll say, let's say this needs an inside corner radius of 5. Now let's do 4 inches here. You can see here that that rounded out that edge right there. Let's add some outside corner radiuses here. Let's do 5 on both of these corners. The corner that has the large red circle dot on it is the corner that will have the radius applied to. You can add all sorts of combinations here. We can add something pretty wacky, like a -5 bump out there, positive bump out of 5 there, and you can see the possibilities are pretty endless here, and the square footage is updated to reflect accordingly as well. The last thing in this video we're going to go over is edge types. So if you select an edge, you have the option to select an edge type. I only have 2 created here, one rounded and one eased. You can add as many as you'd like by clicking the Manage Edge Types link here if you have permission. So for obvious reasons, we're going to choose the eased edge here and select another eased edge for this one as well. And for this one, let's select rounded. So if you look at the list here, you can see the dimensions or the total length of each of your edge types listed here, per countertop, and then total at the bottom. So on the countertop, which is this piece right here, we've got 7.96 feet total of eased edge, and then for this weird island thing over here, we've got a total length of 5.65 feet of rounded edge type, with a total here on the bottom as well. So for example, if we were to want an eased as well, you can see here that we have a combination of the 7.96 and the 3.67 combined here at the bottom. So that wraps it up. Bumps, corner radiuses, and edge types.